In our today's tutorial, we're going to be treating on how to produce an elevation in Archicad. As you can see, this is my 3D design. So for you to produce an elevation in Archicad, we have different ways of producing an elevation in Archicad, but we're going to treat the simplest way, just one way. Maybe in another class, we emphasize on other ways of producing an elevation in Archicad. This is our ground floor. For you to proceed, this is already on 3D. Then you go over to ground floor. Don't mind my floor plan. I just designed this just to get the exterior design to produce an elevation. So this is not a case study. So don't mind the floor plan. So for you to commence, this is, in Archicad has 4 cardinal points, which is the south elevation, which is the front view, east right view, west left view, and north back view. So for you to proceed, you click on south elevation. We are producing south elevation. You click on south elevation, you right click, then we have open with current settings. You click on it. As you can see, this is it. So you highlight and copy. Yes, then you go over to ground floor plan. You can actually save it anywhere. You can actually paste it anywhere. You can go over to story 1. You can go over to story 2. You can also create stories. I prefer ground floor, which is this. Then you paste. You already know how to use our mouse to paste a drawing. You right click. Okay, this is our south elevation, but elevation have to come being black and white. So we have to, what we do now, we have to delete the fill in order to achieve our M. Let's delete this, it's not necessary. We don't need it. Okay. We click on mark Q, you highlight the south elevation, click on fill to delete, Ctrl A, delete. Okay, this is our elevation. But you click on the line, Ctrl A to change the line color to be black and white. Okay. This is our south elevation, but it's not yet complete. If you go over to our 3D, you discover that the south elevation has roof material. This is the roof, it has bricks. So you have to apply those. You're gonna use fill to apply those materials. You click on fill, double click on it, then you look for the roof material. We have different materials: bricks, block, stones, bricks. You look for bricks, we look for roof material. You have different roof materials. You have roof tile 02, roof tile 03. I prefer using roof tile stack, depending. That is your choice. You can make your choice. Then the next thing you have to do, we're gonna click on the exterior line, or rather internal line, the perimeter line of the roof of each segment. Okay, let's come and see what I'm doing. You have to be accurate in order to get a perfect work. You have to follow the line to avoid error. You make sure your line is straight, getting the exact point of each point. Okay, as you can see, we have produced the roof material of this segment. So this is how to produce a roof material in elevation. You have to be very careful in order not to make a mistake. Okay, if you look our design, you will discover that we have bricks. We have applied our roof material. We have to apply bricks to make it a real elevation, to make it real to the exact design. Click on the field again, then you look for brick material. We have different brick materials. We have brick Flemish bond, we have brick running bond. I prefer using brick common bond, your choice, as I said earlier. Okay, this is the area where we have the bricks. We have to insert it too. As you can see, the elevation is coming to realistic. We also have brick in our column base. If you look to the design, you will discover that we have brick. This is our column base, so we got to apply bricks too. Yeah, we also have bricks here, so we have to apply it too. Okay, this is our south elevation in Archicad. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time of watching my video, do well to subscribe and like. In our next tutorial, we're gonna be treating on how to insert grid line in Archicad. Thank you.